If you're considering upgrading your kitchen range, you've probably heard about Wolf ranges. But what makes them stand out from a standard kitchen range? First off, Wolf ranges are known for their unmatched cooking performance. They feature powerful dual-stacked sealed burners that offer precise temperature control. Wolf allows you to achieve consistent, professional quality results every time. The burners can go as low as 300 BTUs, perfect for gentle simmers, and up to 20,000 BTUs for rapid boils and high heat searing. Wolf ranges also come with innovative features like a griddle or charbroiler options, giving you the flexibility to explore different cooking techniques. The convection oven ensures even heat distribution, and the self-cleaning feature makes maintenance a breeze. Beyond performance, Wolf ranges offer unparalleled aesthetics. With their iconic red control knobs, sleek stainless steel finish, and customizable options, they are a striking centerpiece in any kitchen. Lastly, Wolf ranges are built to last. They are designed, tested, and built to the highest standards, ensuring they perform beautifully for years to come. Come see how you can elevate your cooking and your kitchen with the experts at Schaefer's.